How to repair your credit score with car finance. How's your credit score looking? Are you searching for credit repair options that can help improve the number? One way to bring your score back up is to make regular repayments on car finance. We specialise in helping those with poor credit get on the road, and when you choose Go Car Credit, you could begin to repair your score too. Whether you've had financial issues, CCJs or had to default on payments, we could still consider you for hire purchase car finance. To find out more about how you could get a car and repair your credit score at the same time, we've created a guide that will set you off on the right path and could boost your rating. What is a credit rating? Before you start looking through your options, it's important that you understand credit reports and how these impact on the decisions made by lenders. Here are some key terms and their definitions to be aware of if you want to get to grips with credit repair. Credit score. Your credit score or credit rating is a figure that is created from your credit report. This score is a tool that lenders may use to decide whether they can go ahead and provide you with a loan, credit or service. Credit report. The report is a record of your credit history. It lists how you've managed your debts and credit in the past, and this then gives the lenders the opportunity to decide how much of a risk you are when you apply for their credit. Credit reference agencies. There are three main credit reference agencies used in the UK: TransUnion, formerly known as Cool Credit, Equifax and Experian. These are important to be aware of if you are focusing on credit repair. These companies all have information about your credit history, and lenders will use at least one to check your current score and report before going ahead and loaning you money or providing you with a service. If you know the referencing agency used by the company you're applying to, it's worth checking your report with that agency to make sure your details are correct, as information can be missed or incomplete. It can also be useful to check your reports with all three agencies once a year, as they can all influence your applications for credit. Can taking a car out on finance help with credit repair? As with any type of personal finance, choosing to buy your car via hire purchase will impact on your credit file. Keeping up with the repayments means that you could gradually repair your credit file. Of course, other factors influence your overall figure. Being accepted for car finance with us and sticking to the agreed schedule and agreed payments, you could make a difference to your credit score in a positive way. You can get an idea of timings and how much this could all cost when you use our car finance calculator. This will help you plan out what sort of deal you could get for your car with us, along with a timetable of repayments. Simple ways to repair your credit score and make an application for car finance. Even if you have bad credit now, there are some simple ways to potentially improve your chances of getting accepted and begin to repair your rating. Register on the electoral roll. This shows that you're settled in the area you live in. Try to make sure all outstanding debt payments are up to date and on time. Repair your credit score with Go Car Credit. As a legitimate car finance provider, we can't promise that your application for finance with us will be approved, but we won't just dismiss your application because you have a poor credit rating. In fact, by choosing Go Car Credit, you could get a great hire purchase deal for a car that slots nicely into your life, with the added benefit of repairing your credit score, subject to status and affordability checks. For more information on how we could help you, visit www.gocarcredit.co.uk.